As a Black entrepreneur, and honestly just as a human being, I find that the habit of procrastination tries to rear its ugly head often, especially when I have a heavy workload of projects. In my last video, with the guidance of Mel Robbins' wise words, we broke down the science behind procrastination and then discussed a 3-step process for breaking the habit of procrastination. In this video, I'll be discussing 5 additional hacks I use to help me increase productivity and conquer my to-do list. There's a procrastination formula that was developed by Piers. It states that motivation is equal to expectancy times value, and that motivation is divided by impulsiveness times delay. In this formula, motivation refers to the willingness to do work, which is essentially the opposite of procrastination. When you break down this equation, expectancy is how much you expect to succeed at doing something, which will then get you your anticipated reward. This formula implies that the more you expect to be successful, the less likely you are to procrastinate on it. Value refers to how much you enjoy doing a task and how much you're going to enjoy the reward. If you find more value in a task or reward, then you're really likely to be more motivated to go get that thing started. Impulsiveness refers to your disposition to get distracted by other things. In this way, a state of high impulsivity will make you more likely to check Facebook or Instagram instead of starting on the task ahead. Delay is the time it takes you to receive the anticipated reward. The longer the delay, the more likely you are to procrastinate. In order to boost expectancy and value and reduce impulsiveness and delay, try these 5 hacks. 1. Break down the steps. If I know that I need to submit 5 photos for a review on a project that I'm working on, putting down Black & Decker project pictures is a little vague and forces my brain to think about all of the steps it'll take me to get to the finished product. Instead, if I break down the project into smaller steps, this will increase expectancy within the procrastination formula. For example, research Black & Decker previous product rollouts, take pictures, edit pictures in Lightroom, make shareable project folder for a client, submit photos for approval. 2. Be sure that the task/steps, whatever you want to call them, are small. You saw this implemented in the way that I broke down my steps. By having small, achievable goals, this will increase expectancy. When I think about how long it'll take me to do and edit a complete product photo shoot, I know that it will take me at least 3 hours. And if I know all of my time will be tied up, I'll definitely delay. So, by keeping things small and attainable, I know it might only take me 15 to 20 minutes to do research. It may take me 5 minutes to put together the folder. These small steps add up to one finished product. 3. Set the bar low. This is another hack to increase expectancy in our formula. By setting the goal to something less than what you're capable of, when you exceed those expectations, it feels so much better. Number 4, false deadlines. Parkinson's law states that work expands to fill the time allotted to it. What does this mean? It means if you only have 20 minutes of work to do, but you allow yourself an hour to do it, then you'll end up taking the whole hour. By creating false deadlines, it focuses you to get work done more efficiently. These deadlines decrease delay in our procrastination formula. There is a caveat though. Remember not to be too aggressive with your deadlines, as it can lead to unnecessary stress, which is not good for your mental health. 5. Lastly, build an environment that supports productivity and eliminates distractions. For me, this is best categorized by my morning routine. My morning routine starts the night before I go to sleep. My phone is automatically on Do Not Disturb mode from 11 at night till 7:30 in the morning. Then my personal Do Not Disturb cuts on automatically from 7:30 to 8:30, which is slightly less strict than my regular Do Not Disturb, since it allows for text messages and calls from people in my priority group. This means that when I get up each morning at 5:45, I have until 8:30 to maximize productivity before the world wakes up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have hacks like these that have helped you, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. That's all for this video. Until next time, my lovely.